Do you like to hike near water? Well, then you have to check out this new journal, Shoreline Hikers. So this journal is for those of you who love the water. All of the prompts are based off of some sort of body of water, being near the lake, the ocean, the river. The quotes are about water. The hiking tips are about water, how to cross water, what to do if you get caught in certain weather. Even the reflective prompts have to do with how you feel when you hear different types of water. So really, if you love being around the water, any type of body of water, all of the prompts, the tips, everything is reflected back to that. And I really had a lot of fun making the art for this one too. So please go check it out. It's awesome. It's a great one to add to your collection. And don't forget to check out the other books in the series too, Shoreline Hikers.